should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, audible, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, PPT is not shared, sir. It's a technical issue, sir.
Okay, sir. We solve it, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good evening to all present here, respected dignitaries, faculty members, research scholars, and their participants. Good evening to all. In today rapidly evolving research background, artificial intelligence has been become a powerful tool for smarter, faster, and more effective academic work. Sir.
Sir, after introduction by our anchor, we start webinar, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last.
Sir, can you start, sir?
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not
Sir, it is audible, sir.
here to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something
Yes, sir. We check it, sir. We check it. But to date, we can check.
unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
This is by our anchor, we start with my side, okay?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Good evening, everyone. We warmly welcome you to the one-day free international webinar on Smart Research with AI from Search to Writing. If you want to become a resource person, a coordinator for a free online faculty development program, we will provide a link in the comment section. If you are interested, please join through that link. We will commence the webinar in a few minutes, as some participants are still joining. To ensure a smooth and focused section, please keep your microphone muted during the section. Participants who unmuted without prior permission may be removed. Our special thanks to you, Convener Shivappa M, Co-Convener Krupa BP. Thank you all for your exceptional efforts, continuous support in planning and execution the section successfully. The Google Meet capacity is currently full. If your friends or colleagues are waiting lively, then please suggest them joining YouTube live chat. The feedback and certificate will share on YouTube live chat as well as on Google Meet chat. I am Sivarini from Skill Activate. Now it is my privilege to introduce our estimated speaker, Dr. Abdul Kareem. Dr. Abdul Kareem, MA PhD in guest lecturer in the Department of Economics at Thiruvalluvar University, Tamil Nadu. His specialization in development economics, rural economics, and health economics with a strong research focus Indian traditional medicine, publication health, and economic development. He holds a PhD in economics with Thiruvalluvar University, and he is securing university rank during the postgraduate and undergraduate student. Dr. Abdul Kareem is an active researcher and academic contribution with 30 plus journal publications, book chapters, conference proceedings, and patent to his credit. He has, he has presented papers at national and international conferences and actively participated. His scholaring profiling are available Google Scholar, researcher, teaching, and academic services. It's over to you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Can I start, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Respected dignitaries and faculty members, research scholars, and their friends. Good evening to all. Today, a revealing to the research background. Artificial intelligence has been become a powerful tool for the smarter, faster, and more effective academic work. The section is Smarter Research with AI from Search to Writing. I will explore how AI can be support literature review, idea generation, data analysis, and academic writing. We will also discuss the ethical consideration to ensure the responsible and credible research practice. I hope this session empowers you can integrate to AI meaningful into your research journey. First of all, the introductions. The artificial intelligence has been emerged to transformation force of complementary research background with rapidly growth academic literatures increasing the interdisciplinary research and raising the expectations of originally and qualitative research faced by the unprecedented challenges. Traditional research methods alone are no longer sufficient of managed information overload. Complex data as time constraint this in the context of artificial intelligence serve the powerful of research enabler. The supporting scholars every strategy of the research process from ideas, the generation, publication while enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and academic quality. That is way of changing research environmental growth of AI tools and complex academic challenges. Whenever to need for smart researchers and time savers that you can facing for the research accuracy, the data journey, yeah, research enabler. Next, the changing research environment. That is a model of research environmental characterized by the explanation of scholarly publication, digital database, evaluating the research methodology. The research must be navigating thousands of articles, reports, and database while researching originality are relevant to the ensure the published and high impact journals are the ethical standard of meeting institutional requirement of instantaneous consequently, research require intelligent tools that cannot be assisted, meaning complexity, improve focus, and optimize research outcomes without comparing scholarly integrative. That is a way of changing research environmental. That is you are focusing. Improve the focusing of optimize research outcomes. The relevant to originality relevance. That next of need for AI research. Artificial intelligence has become an essential research due to its ability to automate the respective tasks, analyze large database, support information, decision making, AI reduced. That is focus of time spent, manual searching, organizing literatures, the purposing the reference, allowing the researchers to focus more critical thinking and interpretations by the enhancing productivity and reducing human error. AI contribution to high research efficiency, improve academic standard, that understanding why to understanding artificial intelligence, that artificial intelligence refers to the computer system designing to platform tasks that typically the require human intelligence such as learning language understanding that patterns recognized in such AI operates through the technology like machine learning, natural language processing, and decision support systems. This technology enabled to all the tools interpret academic text, identify trend, summarize the finding, the support of article reasoning that make of they deem the valuable assets the scholarly work. That is AI research process. AI support with entire research life cycle be assisting the topic of selections, literature reviews, research designing, data collection, data analysis, academic writing, rather than replacing the researchers AI functioning, artificial intelligence assistant to the enhancing the human capabilities. It is rules. It is supportive and ensuring efficiency organization when leaving the actual responsibility and scholarly judgment of researchers. The way to literature discoveries. The literature discovery is one of the most time consuming the strategies of research. Traditional keywords based searching often the procedure irrelevant and incomplete result. AI powered systematic search tools overcome the limitations by the understanding conceptual meaning of research queries that allow research identifying the highly relevant to the studies including authors and emerging research areas, leading to the more focused of meaningful the literature's review. That of literature discussion review of one of the most consuming of strategy of research. That way of the next topic is AI tool for literature's review. The AI enabled to academic platforms such as Google Scholar, Systematic Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Science provide advanced features of like citation tracking, reference suggestions, and related to the article discovery. These tools of help researchers systematically explore the existing studies, understanding the scholarly network, identify the key contribution of field of thereby strengthening the theoretical and foundation of the research. So whenever the research will be taken by the leave of researchers, the theoretical foundation research, the systematical literature review. How to systematical literature review as a significantly enhanced systematical literature review by assisting the keywords refinements of theme identification, study classification and gap analysis. It helps of researchers organize a large volume of literature's meaningful category, avoid the duplications of identity unexplored research areas. This section's approach are particularly value for the doctoral research, where originally and methodological error of essential the meaning of literature. It is a year of process, topic selection, literature review, designing, data analysis, writing publications. The next slide is the meaning literatures, the meaning of literature, effective of literature management, critical for the research quality, and AI assistant for the filtering the information high impact studies or organize a reference to the efficiently. However, the critical reading of interpretations of must remaining human drive. AI cannot support selections of organization, but restrict judgment and conceptual understanding and theoretical insight. Also, result with many problems, leadership challenges, social issues. social issues, help of research along with studies with the current academic database and the real world need as a result of research problem became more relevant to impactful of alignment for the contemporary societal and policy concern. Whatever may be research designing support for the AI technology, we have AI support research designing by the suggesting the appropriate methodology, data collection, techniques, and analytical approach. It helps of clarity or ensures the consent of between research questions, objectives of the analytical framework. We have two traditional sets of limit manual effort, systematic AI research, relevant paper discovery, focus of research, whenever discuss research supporting for the designing, whenever asking the methodological data analysis and how to facing the analytical approaches, when using for theoretical grounding and logistical reasoning for the most always development by the research, not be delegate them to AI, the data management. Whenever using for the researchers and scholars and their colleagues and professors, data management has become an increasingly complexity with large database, AI support, data organization, cleaning, documentation, and storage, ensuring the accuracy and reliability. The proper data management, enhancing transparency, reproducibility, and research credibility and essential components of high quality of academic research. Next slide. AI data collections. How to data collection? We have a tracking for searching keywords. That data collections, AI improved data collection process through the intelligent survey designing, automatic coding, response validation, and error detection. These features is enhancing the reliability and efficiency of data collection while minimizing the bias of inconsistency of AI. This contribute most robotic and depending for the research contributions that are way to server design, question improvement, automatic coding that responsive for the validations, error detections that we have collecting for the data I must be AI technology. Next, data visualizations. The effective data visualization of essential communicative research, finding AI tools, supporting creations of clear, challenging understanding the decision making, well designed visualization of improve the presentation of research result and facilitate of meaningful interpretations by the device of audience that of when writing a research paper. Next slide. When writing a research paper, academic writing is one of the most challenging strategies of research. A support paper paper structure, academic language, re-informant, lit, long flow, and time management by reducing the mechanical machinery writing burdens. AI also research concentrate of arrangement of development scholarly contributions. Whenever writing the data wishes for a paper writing, descriptive, interpretive analysis, regression analysis, certain of delegations of interpretation avoided. Next slide. AI support writing selections. AI assists the drafting individual selection research paper, including abstract, introduction, literature review, result discussions, with help of systematic information of improve that gathering. However, originality and interpretation of intelligent contribution must remain the responsibility of the researcher. Editing or proof editing, yeah, highly effective editing, proof editing by correcting the grammar, improving the sentence clearly, and maintaining academic tone. The reducing the re-reduces this. This features enhancing reliability, presentation quality, contributing their professional academic writing. Why to referring the citations, referring and citation AI support acute referring the citation management, generating reference to required format, and then organizing sources of minimum the error. This especially beneficial in large research project with reference accruing the critical academic integrity. Why to pluralism and AI reductions? While offering a significant benefit is also introduced risk related pluralism and content originality. Uncritical reliance on the AI generated text may be lead unlimited international plagiarism. It fabricate reference. Therefore, ethical awareness originally remained central to responsible to research practices. Why to ethical use to AI technology? The responsible use AI research require transparency, honesty, on another to the academic ethic. Researcher must be disclosed. Any assistant were required and avoid uses ethical complaints, ensuring that AI enhancing rather than underdetermined scholarly integrity. AI and research integrity. When our AI integrated, then maintaining the research integrity required continuing human oversight of AI output. The research must have a very information cross-check and reference and ensure the conceptual accuracy. AI should be support research capability, not be comprise it. What the publication supports AI assisted research journal selection, scope matching, and submission preparations, and representing the reviewer comments that the features of increasing the publication efficiency are reduced. The critically well maintained academic standard protect journals. AI tools identifying the journals by the systematic that publishing practical editor, transparency, index clients. This is a protect the research especially clearly. Can scholarly for unethical publishing practice academic exploitations. The one our design limitations in AI. That AI technology, the referring scientist, the however, despite the advantages, the when deciding for that AI technology in a research, when the despite the advantage of AI limitations, we have such as contextual misunderstanding, database, and inaccurate output. AI lacks of human judgment, creativity, ethical reasoning. Therefore, it is a must track of the supporting tool rather than the other sources. Whenever designing the futures of research are your key applications. That is literature review, the find of relevant paper, systematic information, the identify the gap existing the research, data analysis, the last point limitation suggested for me. The data analysis identify pattern, clients, data activity instead of for complexity data, the experimentations, the assessing the designing the studies, The analyzing complicit sensor data and like to produce the user's levels, the writing content creations, the yell, the drop of paper, generating managing the citation for the idea of generation, way of supporting in very strongly the hypothesis and formulations. The social science analyze a large scale of human being data, social media, and online discussions. Why? To benefit of AI increasing the efficiency, automatic, the repetitive tasks and spending upon the addresses life cycle. Deeper insight the uncovers handling pattern of missive data and accessibility make complexity analysis of writing support available for the more researchers. The one our challenging of conservation algorithm based or potential based AI models of research outcomes, data privacy, the concern about the using the sensitive data, training and analysis, the transparency, the black boxes, nature some of AI decision making process, research integrity, and why are choosing the questions about the authorship, originality when AI generation content. We have the many more of you can using the AI technology, AI smart work or smart commit to the cross checks or put the ethical consideration, the super small weighty the when I was using the for the best practices are using research the most effectively research uh, such common ethics, the combining the technology support, the support enterprise research should be cross-check. The why to how to artificial use to the research or researchers or human beings. That of revolutions of research by the accelerating the literatures to be brain outcomes ideas that is designing the studies analyzing for massive data by trusting the content, the record of carefully, what the very accuracy, avoid the plagiarism to without tools handling tasks from them. Data scraping, the citations or managing the manage making the research faster, more efficiency, insightful through human expertise. The remain crucial for validations. When to the quick observations, the increases speed, efficiency, accuracy, reveals patterns, manage to allow the data's volume and not native speakers. That is you special things. The AI technology, what are the four type of AI? The skill approaching, the four main type of AI category by the capability or reactive machines, limit memory AI. There are main AI self-aware AI that is progressing this basic task specific systems like IBM, DEPAM, now hypothetical human-like constitutions without current real world. AI primarily is first to category the AI technology that using. Then next, how to break down to the types, the reduced machines, the most basic of AI systems is reduced to the current input without a memory or past experience always repeating the same way of situations. For example, the deep blue class AI, the limit memory of AI used for data experience make better decisions of farming. The basic most modern AI include self-driving gas and recommended engines. There are theory of main AI, futures strategy we are AI understanding human emotions, belief, interactions of allowing the complexity of social interaction. Currently, the theoretical process, the self-aware AI, the most advanced, the hypothetical type processing, constitution of self-awareness, understanding one's state and emotions beyond current capabilities, that of the what the best the it also it is advanced articles of smart flow the collaboration with the ethical innovations. It is a new technology has to be AI tools are best for the research. It is a commonly uses the best AI tool is help of so many data literature to writing any paper sources including the research rehab including the you would like to over of your current time straight work you can save for your research journey and take quality research that of few researchers to be adequate. The method of becoming a familiar of the four type of research descriptive correlation experimental of designing will enable to select the most appropriate method your research. Many time of you want to use combination of method gather the meaningful data for the AI technology that what has to be using the AI technology that of the best practices of using AI research, the most effective uses of combine technological with subject analysis. The enterprise should be cross checked and everything is lower. The instrumental, the way to the instrumental to main goals of research. Yeah, goals of research for the AI. The research spans of various domains include machine learning to natural languages, the process of computer vision, robotic knowledge, representation of human being, the global of AI research to create intelligent a system of can be learn of reason the pursue the interact of with the world in the way of this is reachable for human intelligence. Though it is a comparing for the AI technology or human intelligence practices to be why to research to method framework of your thesis or your papers or you can very well that also you are suggestion for selecting for the domain goal of AI technology, but you are human interactive thinking of your mind that critical value. That is technology. One among technology has been interpreted for the just a 50%, a 50% human intellectual reasonable for the world. That is a legal association. AI technology. That one among the person of you can idea, you can generating for the idea of AI technology. Why to research article writing, why to prepare thesis, dissertations, projects. Every one of the you can one is suggested, and that we have 60-70% human intellectuality intelligence for the facing for the your research company that why to lead the research tool the file to the basic research method example in the voice is common instrumental uses the questionnaires the are most frequently the instrumental collect data help of to gather data concerning the knowledge you can human knowledge or AI technology knowledge you can add into knowledge attitude opinion for a fact etc. They can be open ended to close end to questions. You open into questions all the subject you be subject options. That whenever you continued the AI technology, why to launch something there? What are the importance or impactfully are you using for AI technology for the research? Speed or accuracy? What? It is a technology world. The AI technology world of researching for the researchers and everything is now. That is speed or accuracy. AI can be platform reproductive tasks like data sharing, the categorize, the pattern of recognize are much faster and with fewer error of the human. The productive and analyze the machine learning models all allow researchers to predict trend outcome based on historical data. Well, you have the important privacy for the research ethics for the AI technology. The many points to machine learning, the deep learning, the natural networking for facing the ethical everything is no. Those are to understanding some of deep concept of such data maintaining in natural languages, the processing, the driving software, you can need now the three basic the AI concept. Machine learning, deep learning, natural network for research methodical. That way of solving the way you can one of the solving for the problem you can decide there you can decide for the overall AI automatic. That is a skill of coding, ethics, cross check options. You can overview. The AI overview means the solve a problem in automatic, reproductive tasks, analyzing massive data for the inserting like fraud detections, healthcare detections, market trends, optimizing the complex systems, logistic, energy grades, the enabling the personalized experience, the education, marketing, and enhancing the human capability of area, the like natural languages, understanding to image, recognize that taking the issues for climate change, customer service to efficiently to our user. That is one problem solving the AI technology. That why to we what has see 30% rule for AI technology. The simple guidelines designing help of students or adults using responsibility or researchers or the one among the cities or rules we depending for the cities also is identify AI technology transformation. It is also coming there. That rural areas, the students, scholars are not facing for the AI technology. How to AI technology use of the methodological framework, the research content, research designing. Whenever the small paper, you can not for writing for your guidelines. Next, the research necessary to design that most widely the server of the interview the server. Suppose it is a developer research skill balance the integration of AI human intelligence lead to high quality research outcomes. Well, the last term, the future research widens a more personalized, the personalized system of AI assisted advanced article changes that the most ones are designing the importance, the benefits, the boost of productivity, enhance decision making, accelerated means a human error, reduce and observable caches, improve the user's experience without AI technology. That future generations, the future will be a witness of more personalized AI research assistant advancing that that intelligent workflow and collaborative, the platform, ethical innovation, responsible usage will determine how effectively I contribute knowledge creations. That the future AI research will revolutions. The discovery by the accelerating the very details for the enhancing systematic workflows, data analysis literacy to enable the multi-modal understanding, vision, text, voice, moves from the basic task of complexity problem, the solving even autonomous research then you can accomplish the problem solving the while also raising the critical ethical questions about the privacy and equitable across the driving the need to rope up the governance. What are key factors? The key areas of impact, scientific discovery, and all AI already mapping the protect the help of all of designing materials, sustainable batteries and system and speeding or development potential complex design to the innovation to the year the health, material science, data analysis. The last come of human computer integration. The multi-model of AI integrate text version of voice, interact with research well. We assist they handle complex tasks to from the coding hypothesis generation. Why two emerging trends that were of super intelligence, automation research, ethical, societal research, democratization of years research. They are well. The future research can experience. A great challenge is applying for air, poverty, climate change, food security. Yeah, safety governance to developing the framework of reasonable for AI development, tracking the bias of privacy and accountability. New research methodology integrating AI literature review data, meaning the including the behavior effects that that we are the future trend shaping the next years the future generations. Why do the you can improve the future reference to personalized design and that how can improve the societal that beyond you improve the societals uh, is that is way of AI algorithms um, the language, the across citations, the artificial reshaping the research landscape, announcing that is efficiency, organization, article capacity. However, the meaningful should be responsible, ethical, relevant to the when our facing the such commendable human intelligence replace to responsible ethical ideas the most effective involving combining the technology support when support you are designing for the AI balancing the human being or AI technology how to balance that of overall how to overview the artificial intelligence that facing by using by the research oriented or human being of AI technology that of the future system will be integrated to contribute knowledge creations. That computer system, the human intelligence enable machines to learn, reason, and solve problems, pursue the make of decisions. That artificial is very powerful of research communicated or generally or research or anything students levels you can consider everything now that lost to the human obedience the concept just lost one thing the brief of AI technology or human optimization the concept of artificial intelligence found of life long before computer even throughout history complement and natures of existed the consequences of creations and only nature from them. This machine they come of variety of methods and methods and hearts. The intelligent being of created through the artificial means the future prominently there may be a belief system of like categories and become of few the great automations tools the mental man of forget protect the create the it is a AI technology, the ethical, the content risk of associated with the artificial intelligence construct out long beyond mind. Human rights is serve of facing the mirror into the own secular of automatic existing our replace of created the dream of real AI technology. The world response AI ought to cold it is you can use in the future today. The last one of them, it is a future today. AI build of today where skill of AI technology embellished by the good computing, deep learning, more big data is continue the writing. When initial of goal of fully intelligent machines has been need to meet the field of AI research has all to incredible therefore researching impact the much society while your company of incorporate by AI process the aspect their business or trade up of anything that we have life to AI will features many side of humanity would be never see that of last my conclude is the artificial intelligence is reshaping the research landscape, enhancing efficiency, organization, analytical capacity. How meaningful research in a human critical thinking of that if you can is responsibility, ethical rights that valuable AI technology that critical thing it should be server assisting the strong human intelligence that replace the responsible ethical uses of user ensure that technology advanced technology will pursuing the core value of academic research that the last one things that concluded may one of thing that the white two concluded the research ideas and the finally not why to replace it for the human intelligence to AI technology. The research ideas involvement of everything has been today is to using for AI technology that finally and embracing the responsible implementation of balanced benefit productivity gain of risk bias of acuity uh, ultimately show a transformative potential across the sector and the worldwide of research and research calls and research everything is conclusion the research area the booster ethical improvement just all the pick up speed the improve the overall efficiency the transformative forces it is releasing the industrial healthcare, the education based business by announcing human capability, solving the complex problems that are boosting of your research. Yeah, automatic the task of reduce the box of speed of research, improve the overall efficiency that human collaboration. Last one thing, how ethical interactivity. The successful AI generations are required addressing the basis of ensuring data accuracy, negating the ethical challenges. The human collaboration, the most effective approaches to involve the using the AI as tools, argument of not replaces human critical thinking, the first of innovation, the growth of it is now. That last one is the brief restart of your mind finding argument, the discuss, implement, explore what your research mean by for your field or research society, the addressing limitation, the acknowledge flow based issues and need to critical evaluation of your research for future outlet. I might suggestion in future research what are the impact of AI that is way of things. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for explaining about some topics like idea generation and research design, data management and analysis. Before we conclude, we would like to thank our sponsors, JVK Technologies. JVK Technologies offers a publication service including Scopus, SCI, patent, copyright, thesis, and textbooks, etc. For any publication assignments, you are warmly invited to their WhatsApp group link in the chat box as well as in comment section. Before we conclude, we would like to thank our sponsors JVK Technologies. JVK Technologies offers a publication service including Scopus, SCI, patent, copyright, thesis, and textbooks, etc. For any publication assignments, you are warmly invited to their WhatsApp group link in the chat box as well as in comment section. We also thank all participants for joining us today. Please fill the feedback form for the certificate. Those who fill the feedback only will get the certificates. We also thank all participants for joining us today. Please fill the feedback form for the certificate. Those who fill the feedback only will get the certificates. Please fill the feedback form for the certificates. Those who fill the feedback only will get the certificates. Those who fill the feedback form can leave the meeting. Thank you.